Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Coding by Jaan. Today we are diving into a classic coding problem from Leetcode called Remove Duplicates from Sorted Array. This problem is a great exercise for practicing array manipulations and in-place algorithm. Here's the problem statement. Given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique elements appear only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept same. Then return the number of unique elements in the nums. Let's break this down with an example. For example, if we have an array 1, 1, 2, the function should return 2 because the unique elements are 1 and 2. The array should be modified to 1, 2. Let us take another example. If we have an array of this much elements, that is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Here the output will be 5 because there are 5 unique elements in this. And the array should be modified to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's discuss how to approach this problem. Since the array is already sorted, any duplicates will appear next to each other. We can use 2 pointers, one to keep track of the unique elements and other to explore the array. Here's how 2-pointer technique works. We start with the 2 pointers I and j. I points to the last unique element and j scans through the array. We move j through the array, and whenever nums of j is not equal to nums of I, it means we have found a new unique element. We increment I and copy the value from nums of j to nums of I. By the end of the loop, I plus 1 will be count of unique elements. Let's walk through the code implementation in Python. Here we are using 2 pointers techniques in which I points to the last unique element and j scans the array. So we initialize I with 0 for j in range 1, len of nums if nums of j not equal to nums of I. If this condition satisfied, we have found an unique element. So we increment I by 1 and we copy that unique element to nums of I. So j, and finally we return I plus 1. This solution has time complexity big O of n and space complexity big O of 1. And that's how we solve the remove duplicates from sorted array problem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding.